Okay, we're going. Okay, today we've got these incredible, delicious Peeps, and we are going to microwave them.
Yes.
This is my husband's hands and knife. Every man's got to have a knife. Today we're having a jousting competition with a yellow peep versus a pink peep.
You ever done this before?
No.
Neither have I. But I look professional, don't I?
We have no idea how long to microwave these for. Here they are. We're going to close the door.
10 seconds.
We're going to give it a nuke.
Ooh, you can see it with yours.
I'm waiting.
Nothing so far. Oh, they're getting big. They're getting big.
Oh, the yellow one's getting chubby.
Okay. Oh, he won.
Oh, we've got one falling down. I think we should nuke them some more.
Okay.
I think the pink guy just
Gave it the
is
ghost.
struggling.
Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, yeah. Ah! Oh, I deflated him, sorry.
These might be deflated.
They're gonna explode. Ooh, look at that yellow one. He's like massive. Do you want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Look at that.
This is what happens.
Dude,
when
pink carnage.
When you microwave Peeps. Now, do you dare us to eat them? Mmm, Peeps. Mmm. Gross. Well, there you go, folks. Microwave Peeps. Now you've seen it.
Hard peep.